Greetings, my name is Siti Nur Hazwani. This is the assessment for learnings AFL in mathematics for special needs education program. Let me start by giving you a brief description of one of the lessons I will be teaching. The lesson focuses on basic additions and subtractions using visual aids. This lesson is designed for students with mild to moderate learning disability aged 7 until 9 years old who require structure, hands-on support to grasp mathematical concepts. As I share about the basic addition and subtraction, the target is from age 7 until 9 years old. The learning objective is accurately solve addition problem within 20 using counters and number lines, demonstrate understanding of subtraction by representing problem visually, explain their thinking process when solving addition and subtraction problem. Next, we move to AFL method. Choose AFL method is a formative activity which is interactive, number line, and counters exercise. To incorporate AFL effectively, I will use a hands-on formative activity that allows students to demonstrate understanding continuously during the lesson. Students engage in a structured hands-on activity where they solve addition and subtraction problems using a number line and counters. This activity is designed to make abstract mathematical concepts concrete and accessible for learners with special education needs. Here is a step-by-step to teach. The introduction of concept is student will be introduced to addition and subtraction using a physical number line and counters. For example, solving 7 add 5 by moving counters along the number line. Guided practice is I will pose problem verbally and ask students to solve them using the tools provided. While they work, I will observe their strategy and note areas where students hesitate or make errors. Third is peer discussion. Students will pair up and explain their solution to a pair, promoting articulation of their reasoning. And I will ask the question, where did you start on the number line? What did you do next? Fourth is immediate feedback. As a student work, I will provide verbal prompt and corrective feedback. For example, if a student miscount, I will guide them to count and discuss where the error occurred, ensuring understanding rather than simply giving the correct answer. The fourth slide is alignment with learning objective. This activity aligns directly with the learning outcome as it allows me to observe and support the development of problem-solving skill, visual representation, and verbal explanation of mathematical thinking. The visual aids such as counter, number line, and pictorial problem card will help students who have difficulty processing abstract concepts. This aid also allows me to provide immediate visual feedback and score coding. It allows continuous monitoring of learning and support immediate intervention and differentiation. It reduces assessment anxiety for students with special needs. It promotes active, engaged, and learning confidence. This is a table linking activities tab, link with the learning objective and the evidence learning, such as using counters to add. The learning objective is solving addition problem, and the evidence of learning is correct use of counters. Evidence of learning. Types of evidence collected. Student correct use of counters and number lines, observation and notes on student problem-solving strategy, student reflection and verbal explanation, evaluation and analysis. I will evaluate evidence using a simple rubric that assesses accuracy, strategy, and understanding. For example, if a student solves 7 at 5 using counters correctly but struggled to explain the method, the rubric highlights the area for targeted feedback. The collected evidence will inform my next step in instruction, ensuring constructive alignment between the activity, the learning outcome, and individual student support needs. Next, we move to challenges and solution. Challenge one is some students may grasp the concept quickly while others need more time and repetition. The solution is I will use tight support, providing extension activity for faster learners and guided small group session for students needing additional help. Visual scaffolds and manipulative will be adapted for individual needs. Challenge two is sustaining attention during math activity can be challenging for students with attention difficulties. The solution is I will incorporate interactive and multisensory activities such as moving counters, physically drawing number lines, and using them to maintain engagement and provide immediate feedback. The last point is benefit of the AFL approach. Provide timely, individualized feedback tailored to students' learning needs. Encourage student engaged reflection and ownership learning. Third, support data informed instructional planning. Number four is enhance confidence and conceptual understanding in mathematics, particularly for students with learning difficulties. The conclusion is this mathematics lesson focus on basic addition and subtraction using visual and hands-on material designed specifically for learners in the special needs education program. The lesson aimed to help students not only arrive at correct answer but also demonstrate understanding through visual representation and verbal explanation. That's it. Thank you.